Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. So, welcome, bienvenidos to day 6 of 12 days of eye tutorials. I hope you've been enjoying them because I've been having so much fun. So today, the palette that I'm going to be using is the Lunar Beauty Siren Sunset Eyeshadow Palette. And today, I kind of want to play with the purples right here. So, yeah, that's what I want to do. So, if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Hola amigas, besties. So like I said, today I'm gonna be playing with the Lunar Beauty Siren Sunset palette, and this palette is amazing. I've already done a green look with this palette here for YouTube, and off camera I've really been playing with a lot of these like neutral colors. So I know I love this palette, but I haven't touched the purples just because I wanted to do a purple look for or during my 12 days of eye tutorials. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. So all right, before I jump in, I just want to let you know what I have on the eyes. So per usual, I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony to outline the eyebrows. Then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dual Powder in the shade Ebony as well to fill them in. And then to carve the bottom of my eyebrow and prime the lids, I use MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. So that's really all I have going on so far. So now I'm just going to jump into the eye tutorial. So let's see, what shades do I want to use? Okay, so I'm gonna go into the shade Starfish, which is this like mauve tone right here, and I'm gonna apply that shade to the crease just so it can help blend all those purples together. And I don't think I've used this shade. Alrighty, so I like this shade. It's really pretty. So now I'm gonna go in with a smaller blending brush, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the shade Seductress, which is this beautiful purple right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually no I'm gonna go into a shader brush, and I'm gonna go into that purple, but I'm gonna apply it to the outer part of the eyelid, and then using that blending brush I'm gonna try and use that color and bring it in, because I want that splash of purple in the crease as well. I think that's what I want. We'll see. Now I'm going to use that blending brush, the smaller blending brush, and I'm just going to blend the edges. And this has no color. I'm just blending. That's such a really pretty color. And don't worry if we bring it out too much, because we can always clean it up with concealer. So I kind of like this. So yeah, I think I'm just going to keep it in the outer part of the lid. I don't think I'm going to apply it everywhere, right? But I am going to go in with the blending brush again over the crease. Yeah, like this. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go in with the shimmers, but before I do that, I think I'm going to go in with a glitter glue just because I always do. Alrighty, so just because I have this on hand, I'm going to use my Pat McGrath Intensify Eyes Artistry wands, and I'm going to apply this to the part where I don't have any eyeshadow and bringing it all the way to the crease. And then I'm gonna go into the shade Siren, which is this beautiful purple right here, and with my pinky finger, oh my gosh, look at that. So beautiful. So I'm just gonna apply this right next to it, but I'm not going to bring it all the way in just because I want to leave that for a different shadow. Wow, this is so beautiful. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Sea Witch, which is this pinky shade right here. It has like it's like a green pink kind of look. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply Sea Witch and see how that looks. It has like a shift, a green pink shift, so I'm not sure how that's gonna look, but we'll see. I kind of want to use another shade in the inner corner because I want to lighten it. So let's see. I'm not sure if it's going to mess up the shade or not, but I kind of want to use Pink Pearl, which is this beautiful shade right here. So I'm going to use that, and let's try it over this shade. Oh yes, right here. Okay, so I like this. That's pretty. Alrighty, so now I think I'm going to go back into that Seductress shade, this purple. And I'm going to apply more of it in the outer part right here. Just to bring in some dimension. I feel with all the blending, I kind of lost it. And then with that big fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend the edges. And I'm just going to tap into that Seductress shade. And I'm just going to bring it out in the crease. Just to deepen it a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with the fluffy brush. And just blend, blend, blend. Perfect. Alrighty, so this is the look right here. I think it looks really pretty. I love how purple it looks. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump off camera, you know, do the liner, lashes, face, and then I'll come back and show you the final results. So stay tuned. Alrighty, amigas. So this is the final look using Lunar Beauties Siren Sunset eyeshadow palette. So as you know, I used these purples, the pink, and then I used a splash of this shade right here, which kind of lightened it a little bit, just because my eyes are, you know, small. And if I put a darker color there, it kind of makes them even smaller. So I kind of like to lighten it up a little bit. But yeah, I really love this. I love the purple and the pink. It's such a vibe. But yeah, I mean, I loved it. I loved it. But yeah, so before I end the video, I just want to thank you all for, you know, watching my videos, liking, commenting. I've definitely seen some new amigas comment, and I appreciate that so much. The fact that you took a couple minutes of your day to watch my video, like and comment, I love that. I truly do, and I love interacting with you all. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It means a lot. And yeah, I really hope you've been enjoying all the videos. I've definitely been enjoying doing them for you. It's a lot of work. But yeah, I've really been enjoying and having fun. So yeah, that was my little sentimental, emotional message for you all. But yeah, anyways, I really hope you enjoyed today's look. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one.